Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla iced tea easy guide. Steep strong black tea for 5 minutes, then remove leaves or bags. Stir in 1 tablespoon simple syrup per cup while warm, then add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or scraped vanilla bean. Chill until cold, then pour over ice and garnish with lemon or mint. Store in a sealed pitcher and enjoy within 48 hours for best freshness. Choose fresh ingredients to make a superior vanilla iced tea. Start with good black tea and taste as you go to avoid oversteeped bitterness. Use pure vanilla extract or split a vanilla bean and scrape the seeds for natural aroma. Prepare simple syrup by heating equal parts sugar and water until dissolved, then cool. Combine tea, vanilla, and syrup to taste, chill thoroughly, and serve cold over ice with optional lemon. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: I love these socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They make standing in the kitchen way comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab a pair or explore favorites. Then now let's get back to the video. Brew tea carefully to keep it bright and smooth for iced drinks. Steep for the recommended 4 to 6 minutes depending on strength preference, then cool rapidly to lock in flavor. If diluting with ice, brew slightly stronger to compensate. Taste after chilling and tweak sweetness or vanilla level since cold temps mute flavors. Store in the fridge in a sealed pitcher and shake gently before pouring over fresh ice and garnishing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.